Hi, I'm Els, sales consultant for Umbrosa. Umbrosa designs, manufactures and sells the most beautiful umbrellas in the world. From our factory in Belgium here, we ship to over 80 countries worldwide. Let me show you our Spectra umbrella. Spectra is the first truly elegant, beautiful and functional cantilever umbrella. You have the Spectra with a forward-leaning pole 80 degrees and a straight pole 90 degrees. The difference is mainly aesthetical, with the small advantage of a forward-leaning pole that you create extra space between the base and the table or the lounge that's under the umbrella. The Spectra can be easily moved by means of this handle and this knob. If you loosen this knob, you can move the Spectra up and down to any position you want according to the position of the sun. From a completely horizontal way to a almost completely vertical position. To close the umbrella, you bring it in its most horizontal position, you step to the other side, you undo the little pin here that holds together the ribs, and you just walk around closing the 180 fan system. To open it again, the other way around. You grab the rib of the fabric and you walk to the other side. Same here. You push together the two ribs and you clip them back together with this metal clip. Spectra is most commonly used in an angled position because the fabric is water repellent, not water resistant, so if it starts to rain, the water will just run off. The Spectra has a rotating mechanism built onto this base with a locking system. If you unlock the rotating mechanism by means of this knob, you can just grab the corner of the umbrella and just push or pull to put the Spectra in its correct position according to the position of the sun. It's no use trying to move the umbrella by trying to rotate the pole or in a closed position. This system only works in an open position. To lock it again in the position you want, you take the knob and do the opposite movement. There is 3 ways of mounting the Spectra. First option, as you see here, is the mobile tile base, which is a galvanized steel base with an aluminium top. The base is filled with tiles and the total weight of the base is about 180 kilo. The base has 4 swiveling wheels, which will allow you to move the umbrella over your terrace and put it in the correct position. Every wheel has a locking system. Make sure that once you've chosen the correct position, you lock the wheels to make sure the umbrella is safe. Second way of mounting the Spectra is by means of bolting it onto a solid floor. The spigot to do that is always included with the Spectra. Third way of mounting the umbrella is by means of our in-ground anchorage. That means digging a hole, pouring concrete, and using the Umbrosa in-ground anchorage to install it. Important to know is that with all 3 mounting options, the 360 rotational system will still work. When not in use or left unattended, we always recommend to store the umbrella in a correct way. That will extend the lifetime of your umbrella. To do that, you bring the Spectra up to its most horizontal position, like that. You unlock the ribs. This is the 180 fan system, very easy. Then you bring the umbrella as closely down to the pole as you can, like this. You grab the strap that is always included with the umbrella. You pull it tight to make sure the umbrella is nicely against the pole. Every Spectra comes with a protective cover. Just a little tip or trick, there's a little pocket inside here in which you can put the strap. Make sure that you don't lose it. The Spectra protective cover is made of polyester fabric, which is not 100% waterproof, but that's intentional because the umbrella needs air to avoid molding in humid circumstances. The protective cover always has a fiberglass rib. So you take the protective cover by the fiberglass rib, you step onto the base at any time during the process of manipulating the Spectra. You can step onto the base, you go around like this, and you put the cover over it. Make sure the complete umbrella is inside the cover, and then close the zipper behind like this. As you can see, the Spectra is a contemporary shade maker that combines the beauty of its flat design with the functionality of its 180-degree fan system. This system also allows you to close the parasol horizontally rather than vertically. And with its unique design, the number of positions that you can put the Spectra in are endless. The Spectra is also very wind resistant, thanks to the use of the fiberglass ribs, which are very flexible, which will move a little in the wind, but which won't break. Functional beauty that makes your customer happy and that allows him to enjoy the shade and style. That is what Umbrosa stands for. If you have any further questions, I'm Els, I'm here for you, and I believe that together we can make this a success story.